Hello, it's Thursday, November 3rd, and I'm Natalie Woods with your MaxiForex Daily News. The US dollar weakened against the most major currencies after Bernanke said the central bank would use monetary tools to safeguard the economic recovery, causing the higher-yielding assets to be more attractive. Wall Street closed positive as NASDAQ increased by 1.27% and the Dow Jones by 1.53%. Crude oil increased by 0.4%, closing at $92.50 a barrel. Gold strengthened by 1%, closing at $1,729.60 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to be at 401,000 versus last week's 402,000. ISM non-manufacturing PMI is expected to increase from 53% to 53.7%, and prelim non-farm productivity is expected to rise from -0.7% to 2.6%. The euro rose against the most major currencies after Greece's cabinet backed the Prime Minister's call for a bailout plan referendum. The euro-dollar's momentum continues to be very negative after breaking the support line of 1.4000. As long as the pair is trading below 1.3850, which is the next resistance line on the 1-hour chart, the euro might decline further towards 1.3670. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 1.3653 and with a high of 1.3829. The euro-dollar last traded at 1.3693. The pound fluctuated against the dollar, closing almost unchanged as UK stocks rose. It was rebounding from the biggest 3-day drops in September, which had caused the British currency to lose its momentum against the dollar. As long as the pound-dollar is trading below 1.6050, the momentum is bearish. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 1.5926 and with a high of 1.6047. Today, services PMI is expected to be at 51.9 versus the previous 52.9. The pound-dollar last traded at 1.5908. The yen strengthened a bit versus the dollar. The US dollar Japanese yen has been trading in a very narrow range in the last 2 days, between 78 and 78.4. And only if the pair break the 77.6 level will the yen be attractive again for short position. However, at the moment, the trend direction is very unclear. Overall, the US dollar Japanese yen traded with a low of 77.94 and with a high of 78.32. The US dollar Japanese yen last traded at 78.04. The Canadian dollar rose from its lowest level in almost 2 weeks versus the dollar due to increased demand for riskier assets. As long as the pair is trading above the 1.0080 level, the US dollar's momentum will remain positive. Overall, the US dollar CAD traded with a low of 1.0106 and with a high of 1.0217. The US dollar CAD last traded at 1.0181. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at MaxiForex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Natalie Woods, wishing you a happy trading.